What's up? I got a fresh one for you. Today I want to talk about a little rapper named Jay-Z. If you know who I'm talking about, you know Jay-Z, he's been around for a minute in this so-called rap game. And, he has some songs out there like 99 Problems and a Bitch Ain't One, so on, so on. And if you do listen to his music, you know he's rapping about goddamn nonsense. But what I want to talk about today is I just read the other day that he's no longer going to use the word bitch in his music. Well, here's the problem. Jay-Z, you stupid asshole, you got millions and millions of followers out there like myself that have been keeping their kids from listening to your nonsense. And now that you got a little girl, you think you're better than everyone. You're trying to come out the hero now. Well, my message to you, Jay-Z, is fuck you, you bitch. Fuck you and the ass suck a dick. Nah, feel better. Jay-Z, listen to me. Beyonce, listen to me. When your daughter, Blue Ivy, I believe it is, when she's 18 and dating, Jay-Z, I want you to look in the mirror. Blue Ivy brings home this bug-eyed, big-lipped, ugly motherfucker that looks like you. What are you gonna do? That's what's gonna happen. That's what the world's been dealing with. Your ugly ass. Your daughter's gonna get it next. It's in your destiny. So that's my rant today. Jay-Z, fuck you in the ass, you bitch.